So this is the beginning of April, and I've had these free-range chickens for about 3 weeks now, and they are all doing well. They really look good. We're just waiting for their coop. And then they can move out of the broiler coop. Then I will be ready to take more broilers in. I am really pleased with the progress. They look very good. I've always wanted to live on a homestead or a farm or a plot where I could raise free-range chickens, roadrunners. And my dream came true this time around. I know we've had a couple of roadrunners that Papa was gifted, but I was gifted quite a number of roadrunners. The type which is called Boschveld, I think that's the complete name. In a total number of 29. Oh, they look so good. They have enough feed, they have enough water, and they're just growing. So my roadrunners were freeloading in the broiler coop until I got myself ready. We were frantically building this chicken coop so it would be ready. But during the day, the chickens would spend the day just finding themselves some food, scratching around, and just being roadrunners. So it's been such an exciting journey this time, where I have all these beautiful chickens just running around the property. We have a semi-dense forest right where we are. So it is a little scary to let them wander off into the areas that are not very close to the house. So we have cleared a perimeter where they can hang out. Right now we need to raise the fence because they're a little bit bigger and they've been jumping out and just wandering off into the forest, and it's a little bit scary for me. So we're working on that. Look at them. They are all so grown. These are about what, 5 weeks, 6 weeks? I got them from my aunt. And these are Bosch. They look beautiful. They are growing. Gonna open for them so they can come out. They can hang out during the day. Then we'll bring them back to sleep. So let's see. Gonna come out. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Woo. Okay. Now they know they have to get out. And they seem to enjoy staying out during the day. There they are, free ranging, just finding themselves some food. The free-range roadrunner chicken coop is done. Yay! So excited. So they have moved out. The freeloaders have moved out to their own house. I can start doing the broilers. So take a look. Let's go check them out. Let's see. Let's go check. This is beautiful. They are all so grown. So my first batch of roadrunner free-range chickens, they're happy. They look so big. I am excited. So soon they'll be laying eggs, and then our flock will be growing. Yay!
It's beautiful.
Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. It will help my channel. Please share, like, comment, and we will see you on the next video. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye bye for now.